Your IRS Weapon with Travis Watkins is on the air. Travis is the president of the law offices of Travis W. Watkins, PC, headquartered in Oklahoma City and Tulsa. To find out more about Travis Watkins and his unique law practice, log on to our secure website, taxhelpok.com. While you're there, order a free copy of his book, The Ultimate Survival Guide to IRS Problems, and check out Travis's videos on how to solve your IRS problems today. Now, here is the host of Your IRS Weapon, Travis Watkins.
This is Your IRS Weapon. I'm Oklahoma tax lawyer Travis Watkins. I am joined today by Joe Goldstein and Zach Gregory, who are attorneys in my office. We have offices in Oklahoma City and Tulsa. We've got a full bag here of questions that have come into us. The number here at the station is 1-888-9-TAX-HELP. Give us a call today here in the studio if you have a question. First question that we have is, how can I make sure that an IRS lien withdrawal is communicated to the credit bureaus so that I'm not adversely affected?
The best way, and really the only way you're going to do this, is when you finish the payoff, whatever it is, installment agreement, paying a lump sum, finish your offer and compromise, is to request or have your attorney request the lien release certificate. And as we discussed in our previous program about them having 30 days to issue that, that can be expedited. The IRS they're lazy, but they will go out to the credit bureaus. They'll send letters to the credit bureaus, but they will go out and put liens on your property. And to do that properly, they have to go to the county assessor's office and put it on the books. And when you get that lien release, they figure they're out of the picture, and it's your job to go get those liens released. So they will send you that certificate. You will have to take that down. If you're selling property, you can get help from a title company on this. But you will have to take that down to where it's registered in that county, and they will make a copy and they stamp it. And then you need to make copies of that and send it with a cover letter to each of the credit bureaus and asking them to release the liens on your credit report. And you are going to have to also include a copy of the lien release, and it's going to take them about 30 days to get that off of there. They don't work fast either. But basically, it's going to be up to you to actually get this done. The IRS will just tell you that it's going to be released by operational law, but the credit bureaus and everybody else does not. They want written proof, and you're going to get that. You need to keep that lien release certificate forever. Keep it in a safety deposit box or whatever in case this would come up, and just keep that as proof that lien was released.
I think it's important to make a distinction here, too, between a lien release and a lien withdrawal. A lien withdrawal from the IRS is kind of the holy grail. That's what you want. When you've worked something out and you've paid it all off with the IRS, or their statute of limitations has finally run and they have no more legal rights to come after you, you need to request a lien withdrawal. It's different from a lien release. Lien withdrawal is like an expungement, for lack of a better analogy in the legal world. It's like the lien never happened. And as far as the credit bureaus are concerned, that's the money ball. You send one of those in, and it shows that essentially you really never had this problem with a creditor to begin with. Some revenue officers and other IRS employees play those pretty close to the vest. Other employees are more liberal with giving out the withdrawal, understanding that it does have credit implications for folks. But that's the one that you really need, and at least ask, because if you don't ask, you don't get with the IRS. We've got lots of good questions and lots of good answers for you here concerning your tax problems on Your IRS Weapon. I'm Oklahoma tax lawyer Travis Watkins. The number today to call is 1-888-9-TAX-HELP. We'll be back after these short messages. Don't go away.